wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, pack my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bright, and welcome if you're a new subscriber, and for existing subscribers, thank you for subscribing. In today's video I would like to show you an unboxing of a new controller, and the controller is a file driver ND721800, which means 1800 motor amps and 800 battery amps. So without further ado, let's take a look at the controller and see what it looks like. As you can see, it comes in a very nice packaging. This is the controller. So this is the ND721800. I'm not sure if you guys can see the number on it, but like I said, this controller is rated for 1800 motor amps and 800 peak amps current or battery current. And one of the reasons why I decided to upgrade to this controller is because for some reason ASI does not allow you to get an access to the BAC8000 controller without buying directly from them. And also my ASI controller, after being tuned, it decided to go crazy on its own. It started like doing some weird stuff on its own. I know it needed some kind of tuning, but I didn't touch the controller at all. For some reason it just decided to, malfunction. And I don't like the fact that you have to beg for a login from someone that has a login to the ASI BAC8000 controller, and that's not a good thing. I don't really like begging for login from one place to another, trying to get my e-bike tuned. And this controller is supposed to be twice as powerful as the ASI controller. The ASI controller is only rated for 450 amps, battery amps, 400 to about 450 to about 460 battery amps, and 860 battery amps. I was told the controller could be unlocked for more power, but I don't think ASI is gonna do that for us, so I'm not gonna keep waiting on the ASI, to make such a big change for my application. So that's why I decided to go with this controller. I've been researching this controller for quite some time now, and it seems to be a very good performing controller. And yeah, so we're gonna show you what it looks like. Take it out of the box. And it has a massive heatsink, as you can see. It's a massive heatsink, and the controller has some weight to it. It's got some good weight to it. It looks like a good quality controller, So yeah, this is the ND controller. So that's the ND721800 controller, and it comes with the connection cable for the hall sensors, you know, ignition, Bluetooth connectivity. This is the Bluetooth dongle right here, and some other wires. I have to look at the manual, you know, to figure out which is which, but I know this is hall sensor, and it comes with some bolts, and it doesn't come with a manual, but you know, would be nice to have a manual, but we can always look it up online. But yeah, so just stay tuned for the next video, and I'm gonna have this connected and hopefully get this running, and we are gonna see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.